Hello guys, welcome back to the How To channel, and today I'll be showing you how to assemble a 511 floor lamp, 5 feet 11-inch floor lamp. It's a Mainstay brand and it's black in color. I like this lamp because it's cheap. I got it for $7.99 at Walmart and it's reliable as well. Been using this particular version for over 3 years, and I think it's got good brightness and stability. So included in the box, we have the base. We also have a plastic shade white in color. The base itself has the power cable running through with the two-prong plug, which you can pull in either direction. The base has a screw protruding from it. This screw is where you would attach other parts of the mainstay floor lamp. We also have the stem of the lamp. I think it looks like nunchucks. We also have the light bulb holder as well as the shade holder. It has a switch that controls the light bulb. So you turn it on or off by twisting the steel rod in either direction. To assemble the lamp, place the base on a flat surface, preferably the floor, since it's a floor lamp after all. And then you take the first piece of the stem and twist it clockwise, righty tighty, lefty loosey, until it doesn't budge no more. And then you do that with the second rod as well as the third rod and the fourth rod, just so that the lamp gets to a reasonable height, about 3/4 or half of its complete height. You can install the switch by turning the rod clockwise, righty tighty, until you can feel 2 clicks or 3 clicks, just like that. To install the lampshade, place the white plastic lampshade on top of the lamp socket assembly, or the triangle black thing. And then you need to place the ring-like nut, the black plastic ring nut, and screw that in to hold the plastic shade in place. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, so you turn it in the clockwise direction. And there you have it. We have the lampshade installed. Now that the lampshade has been installed, we need to add a light bulb. The Mainstays floor lamp does not come with a bulb, so I went to Walmart to get a good value LED bulb, 60 watt equivalent. To install the bulb, you simply turn it again, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So you turn it in the clockwise direction until it doesn't move anymore. So now we can go ahead and try to assemble the rest of the stem for the lamp. So I go ahead and screw in the first iron rod into the lamp holder assembly. And this is how your lamp should look like. We just need to screw in the remaining 2 parts that make up the stem in order to completely assemble the lamp. The trick I use is to lay the lamp down on its side so I can pull the power cable through the base in order to reduce the length of the wires. And then, as usual, I screw in the stem components to complete the lamp. Now we have just 2 parts left. Again, I pulled the wire from the base, and then I can conveniently screw in the last piece of the stem that make up the lamp. And there it is, a fully assembled floor lamp, Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thank you.